Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified directly for latest videos. 3. Outstanding benefits of spring onions. Many of us eat Chinese dishes and one of the main ingredients in them is the spring onion. The eye-catching vegetable comes in different varieties: white, yellow, and red, and it is milder in taste and nutrient-dense. The wonderful veggie, also known as scallion or green onion, and improve your overall well-being. Spring onion is packed with fiber, vitamin K, Ca, B2, copper and magnesium, and is a must-try for all. It can be used in various Chinese dishes, salads, dals, and appetizers. It has antibacterial properties which can keep a cough and flu at bay. One needs a strong immunity to stay healthy, and if you consume spring onions, they may help you to build a good immune system as they are loaded with vitamin C. Are you worried about your cholesterol level? Then, you must opt for spring onions, which will help you to manage it. It will also help you to regulate your metabolism. Furthermore, this veggie can be a boon for your skin. Many factors like faulty lifestyle, environmental factors, stress, and so on can speed up aging. But you don't have to worry, as this power-packed veggie will help you to slow down the signs of aging and amplify your beauty. Watch on to know the many health benefits of it. Eliminates the risk of cancer. It contains sulfur and compounds like allyl sulfide and flavonoids that can keep cancer at bay and fight against the enzymes producing cancer cells. See to it that you include spring onion in your diet, which can help you to reduce the risk of cancer. Improves eye health. Eyes are one of the vital organs of the body. You should not take your eyes for granted and consume a diet which is good for your peepers. Taking care of your eyes will help you to enhance your visions and keep you away from many eye problems. To ensure that you take measures to prevent your eyes, and consuming spring onions can be helpful. Spring onions are rich in vitamin A and carotenoids, which can keep your vision intact. Can help you to lower your blood sugar level. The body can produce more insulin due to the sulfur present in the spring onions, which in turn can help you to prevent diabetes by improving the glucose tolerance. Spring onions also contain allyl propyl disulfide, which can lower your blood sugar levels.